Hello guys, so in this lecture we'll see error detection method, that is CRC, cyclic redundancy check. Cyclic redundancy check. That means that is the error detection scheme, isn't it? So we discussed what is error correction, what is error, we can say that detection, isn't it? So yeah, see first one, that is CRC, that is cyclic redundancy check. Let's say there is one sender and one receiver, isn't it? Sender and receiver are there, and let's say sender is going to be sent this data 1011 011, isn't it? Now what will be there? One thing will be there, that is known as CRC generator. CRC generator. So CRC generator, let's say that is 1101, isn't it? So that will be known to both sender as well as receiver, isn't it? So we can say that sender and receiver both will be knowing CRC generator, isn't it? So what will be happen? Yes, we can say that if CRC generator is of, let's say, 4 bits, this is of 4 bits, let's say, isn't it? So sender is going to, we can say that sender is going to, yes, attach some extra bit, that is known as CRC. So we can say that if we can say that CRC generator is of 4 bits, then sender will attach, we can say that some bits, isn't it? We can say that append, yes, 3 zeros in the data, isn't it? If CRC generator is of 4 bit, then sender will append 3 zeros, isn't it? If CRC generator is of n bits, then sender will attach n minus 1 zeros in the data, isn't it? So after attaching these n minus 1 zeros in the data, what sender will do? Sender will, yes, we can say that will do some calculations, and after some calculations, this CRC value will be calculated, and that CRC value will be appended to this data, means instead of the 0, and that particular, we can say that complete data will be transmitted to the receiver. Okay, so let us this example, let's take one example. So you know one operator, that is exclusive or XOR, isn't it? So what is XOR? So 1 XOR 1, that is what? 0. You have studied in the digital. 1 XOR 0, that is what? 1. 0 XOR with 1, that is what? 1. Then 1 XOR 1, that is here. This one we already done. Let's say next one is 0 XOR with the 0 is 0, isn't it? So I hope you know very well about this XOR operation, isn't it? Okay. So this one will be used in this particular example, isn't it? So what will be happening? Yes, try to listen me correctly, guys. So here we can say that this data was 1011 011, and 3 zeros will be appended. These are 000. Now one calculation will be done, isn't it, in this manner? 1101, that was the CRC generator. CRC generator. So yes, always try with the leading one. So here in this particular data, leading one is this one. From we can say that left hand side, or from MSBs, we'll see first leading one bit. So here leading one is at first place only. So we can write down CRC generator 1101. Now apply the XOR. 1 XOR will be what? 0. This is 1 0. 1 XOR 0 with 1. 0 XOR with 1, that is 1. This is 0. Now yes, write everything that is remaining as it is. Now again start from the leading one from MSB. So this is the leading one. So again write 1101, that is the generator. Take the, yes, XOR operation. So this one 0 XOR 1 will be 1. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. Isn't it? Okay. Now, yes, put whatever remaining, try to write everything here 11000, isn't it? Now, from leading one, again write down 1101. So, after taking the XOR, it will be 1100, and whatever be the remaining, write as it is. Now, from again, we can say that right from the leading one is from this position. We can say that write 1101. So here we can say that the remainder will be what 1000. Now you can see here leading one is there, but we can say that we have to stop here. Why? Because from the leading one, yes, at least 4 bits are required because CRC generator is of 4 bits. So from leading one, at least 4 bits are required. If there are no 4 bits, then stop there, isn't it? Now, so we can say that ultimately this one is the remainder. I hope this one is clear to everyone. Now, what we have to do now, because CRC generator is of 4 bits, so we will take 3 LSB bits. 3 LSB bits, isn't it? Why 3? Because CRC generator is of 4, so take 4 minus 1. If CRC generator is of n bits, then take n minus 1 LSB bits, isn't it? Now this is the required, we can say that CRC, isn't it? So we have done some calculation and find out, we can say that CRC. Now, yes, what sender will do? Now, this was the data for sender, isn't it? Now, attach this particular CRC instead of these 3 zeros. So, attach these one, we can say that whatever be the remainder, that is CRC 001, isn't it? Okay. Now, this data will be transmitted to the receiver, isn't it? Now, receiver will, we can say that get this particular code word, isn't it? Okay. Yes. Isn't it? Receiver will receive this one. So, sender send the data along with CRC. This is the CRC and this is the actual data, isn't it? Actual data. So, actual data plus CRC, including CRC, the complete data is known as what? Code word, isn't it? Now, receiver will also do some calculation. So you can see, yes, whatever be the data which our sender wants to transmit, as it is, that data is received. That means there is no error, isn't it? So how a receiver will conclude that there is no error? So what receiver will do? Receiver will also do some calculation in the same manner, because I already told you CRC generator is known to both sender and receiver. So receiver will also apply this method. CRC generator is 1101 and this is the received code word, isn't it? This is the received code word. So again apply the same method. Receiver, this is the receiver. Receiver will also apply the same procedure 1101. So take the XOR operation. So this is 0, this is 110, isn't it? Now write as it is whatever be the remaining bits, isn't it? Now from leading one, again 1101, take XOR operation 1000, isn't it? And write these remaining bits as it is. Now from leading one, again write 1101. So this is what? 1100, that is 01. From leading one, again write 1101. So you can see 000, isn't it? So we can say that here, yes, what is the remainder? Take the remainder 3 bits from LSB bits, isn't it? From least significance, take 3. Because CRC generator is of 4 bits, so take 3 LSB bits, that is the remainder. So here we can say that at receiver end, the remainder after calculation is 3 zeros. In decimal, we can write that is 0 only. So if remainder is 0, then receiver will conclude that there is no error in the data, isn't it? I hope this one is clear to everyone. Okay, guys? Okay. So that is the concept. If there is an error, then we can say that if there is an error, then this remainder will not be equal to 0. Let us suppose while transmitting this data, let's say while transmitting this data, let's say this bit get corrupted. If this bit is get corrupted, or we can say that that bit get modified, isn't it? If that we can say that bit get modified, then what receiver will receive? Let's say the actual data was what, 10110111, and that was the CRC 001. Let's say sender sends this data and a receiver receive, yes, 10010110001. So you can see here this bit get modified, isn't it? Okay. Now what receiver will do? Isn't it? Receiver will apply the calculation, same calculation. Okay. So apply once. So that was the CRC generator. So 1101. So this is, we can say that 0010. Write down the remaining bits as it is. Again 1101. So this is 1010. Write the remaining bits as it is. That is 1011. So this is 00 and 00. This is 1001. And this one will be 1101. So here we can say that 0 and 0, then we can say that 1 0, isn't it? Now we can stop. Why? Because from the leading one there are no 4 bits, isn't it? From leading one 3 bits are there, so we can stop there, isn't it? So here these 3 bits will be what we can say that remainder. So you can see remainder is, we can say that 100, that is in decimal value not equals to 0. This decimal value is what, 4. So that is not equals to 0. So we can say that yes, that is not equals to 0. That means error is there, isn't it? So in this manner we can say that yes, receiver can conclude that there is an error and receiver will ask for retransmission of this data, isn't it? Remember, because CRC generator is known to both sender as well as the receiver, so after receiving this data and performing this calculation, yes, the receiver will discard these 3 bits, that is CRC, because the receiver knows that CRC generator is 1101, then receiver will understand that 3 bits will be for CRC from the LSB. So while we can say that this data get received at the receiver end, then after performing this calculation, and if receiver thinks that there is no error, remainder is 0, then after that that CRC means these 3 bits from the LSB side will be removed by the receiver, and whatever will be the remaining thing, that will be the actual date. I hope this one is clear to everyone, isn't it? Okay, fine. Next one, let us take one more example. Before that, let's say how sometimes CRC generator will be given in terms of polynomial. So let's say CRC generator is given to you x cube plus x plus 1, isn't it? So in binary format, what will be this particular CRC generator? Let's say this is given. So we can write it in like that: 1 into x cube plus 0 into x square plus 1 into x, isn't it? Plus we can say that 1 into x power 0, isn't it? Yes or no? Okay. So we can say that take these bits 1 0 1 1. So we can say that here CRC generator is what, 1011, isn't it? Okay. I hope you understand this one. X square is missing. That means x square is multiplied with 0, isn't it? So take in the same sequence x cube, then x square, then x power 0, isn't it? Similarly, let's say if it is given to you x power 4 plus x square plus, let's say we can say that 1. That means what? We can say that x square is there, so we can say that there will be 1. X cube is missing, so there will be 0. Then x cube is there, x square is there, so there will be a 1, isn't it? Then x power 1 is missing, x power 1, isn't it? This one, x power 1 is missing, that is 0. And x power 0 is there, that is 1, because this is multiplied with x0 by default, isn't it? X power 0 is what? That is 1, isn't it? Or you can write it in simply x power 0, 1 is multiplied with x power 0, 0 is multiplied with x cube, and 1 is multiplied with x0, x power 2, then 0 is multiplied with x power 1, and 1 is multiplied with x power 0. X power 0 means 1, that's why that is not written, isn't it? Okay, so in this manner, whatever be the, we can say that generator is given, easily you can identify the, yes, binary format. Let's say one generator is given to you x cube plus x square. So we can say that for x cube, this one will be 1, x square, that is also 1, x power 1 is missing, so 0, x power 0 is also missing, that's why 0. So that will be the CRC generator, isn't it? Okay. So let us take one more example. Let's say CRC, let's say that is given to you x cube plus x plus 1. So we can say that that will be what? 1 0 1 1, isn't it? And let's say sender has some data 1 1 0 1 0, and there is one receiver. So because CRC generator is of 4 bits, so 3 append 3 zeros and do the calculation, isn't it? So some calculation will be done. 1 0 1 1, isn't it? 1 0 1 1. Okay. So let's say, so leading one is in the starting, so 1 0 1 1, at apply the XOR operation, that is 0 1 1 0, and write down all the remaining bits as it is. Then from the leading one, 1 0 1 1, so 1 1 1 0, write down these zeros as it is. Then from leading one, 1 0 1 1, so that will be 1 0 1 0 0 0. Then from leading one, 1 0 1 1, so this one will be the 1 0 0 0 0, isn't it? So now we can say that we can stop from, why? Because from leading one, 4 bits are not there, isn't it? Because CRC generator is of 4 bits, so 4 bits are required. So take n minus 1 bits from LSB. So CRC generator is of 4 bits, so take 3 LSB bits, isn't it? 0 1 0. Now instead of these 0 0 0, yes, this CRC will be appended, that is 0 1 0, isn't it? This one will be attached with this particular data. Now this code word will be transmitted, and receiver, let's say, receives this one as it is without any error. Now how receiver will identify that there is error or not? So how a receiver will detect? We'll see one by one. So receiver will apply the same method. Receiver also know about the CRC generator. So apply this one. So 1 0 1 1. So let's say this is 1 0 1 1. Take the XOR operation, isn't it? Write down the remaining bits as it is. Again from leading one, 1 0 1 1. This one will be 1 1 1 0 1. Then write down these as it is. Then this one will be 1 0 1 1. So this one will be 1 0 1 0 1 0. Then from leading one, 1 0 1 1. So that is 0 0 0 0 0. Now there is no 1, no leading one. So take 3 LSB bits, that is 0. So here we can say that remainder is equals to 0 0 0, and decimal value will be what? 0 only. That's why, yes, receiver will understand that there is no error, isn't it? Now receiver will, we can say that, remove this 3 bits CRC bits, and whatever will the remaining, that will be the actual data, isn't it? Okay. Now what will we can say that, let's say in the same example, let's say one error is there. Let's say 1 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 0. So we can say that yes, this one was the CRC that is appended by the sender. and let's say sender transmit this particular data, and let's say this particular bit get modified. Now 11010110, that is received code word. Now you can see here the part of CRC get modified, not the actual data, isn't it? So we can say that there is a possibility CRC can also be modified, yes or no? But whatever be the modification, yes, receiver don't know. Receiver will detect that something is missing or something, or we can say that some error is there. So safest assumption is that what we can say that this could be in the data as well as this could be in the CRC. So safest assumption is that what, yes, assume that the we can say that modification is in the data. So whatever be the modification either in the data or in CRC, receiver will ask for retransmission, isn't it? Retransmission of entire data, whether the CRC bits get modified or actual data bits get modified, isn't it? Because that is the safest assumption. So whenever error is detected, receiver will ask for the retransmission of entire data. Now, yes, the receiver will perform, yes, this calculation. Yes, that was the CRC generator 1011. So 1011. So this is 0, this is 1 1. Then we can say that this is 0 and 0 1 1 0. So from leading one 1 0 1 1. So that is 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. And from leading one 1 0 1 1. That is 0 0 1 0. From leading one 1 0 1 1. That is 0 1 0 0. That is 0. So from leading one, now you can see, yes, there are no 4 bits, so stop here. And whatever be the 3 least significant bits, so we can say that that is the remainder. And here we can say that remainder is equals to 100. That is not equals to 0 in decimal, that value is 4. So we can say that yes, it is not equals to 0, that means there is error. So we can say that error is present. It's the different thing that this error was in the, we can say that CRC bit, but doesn't matter, receiver will ask for the retransmission, isn't it? Okay guys, so because the receiver can detect some error is there, but receiver don't know which bit get modified, isn't it? If receiver knows which bit get modified, then we can say that that can be corrected also. But receiver don't know about anything which bit get modified, so receiver simply asks for retransmission, isn't it? Okay guys, so I have taken this example for 4-bit CRC generator, isn't it? So be careful. If CRC generator is of 5 bits, then 4, we can say that zeros will be appended, then some calculation will be done, and remainder will be of 4 bits, isn't it? Why? Because if CRC is of 5 bit, then remainder will be of 4 bits, one less bit, isn't it? Okay. I hope this procedure is clear to everyone. Okay guys, okay, okay, I hope this one. So don't buy hurt guys. Some students will do what they will do, yes, that during calculation always take these 3 bits remainder. No, that depends on the CRC generator. CRC generator is of 4 bits, that's why I'm taking 3 bits. If CRC generator is of 5 bits, then we'll take 4 bits. If CRC generator is of 6 bits, then we'll take 5 bits, and so on, isn't it? Okay. And we can say that if CRC generator is of 5 bits, then from leading one 5 bits are required. If 5 bits are not there, then we can say that in worst case 4 bits will be there or 3 bits will be there. Now take n minus 1, that is 1 less, isn't it? Nothing. Okay guys, so I hope this one is clear to everyone. So you can do various questions based on CRC. You can see various questions have been asked from this particular topic, that is CRC, in previous year GATE papers, isn't it? Okay guys, so thank you so much.